ಇಷ್ಟಪಡಲ್ಲ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಒಂದು ವಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ವಾಟ್ ದ ರೋಲ್ ಇಸ್. ತುಂಬ ವಿಶೇಷ ಒಂದು ಪಾತ್ರ ಇದು. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಪ್ರಕಾಶ್ ಸರ್ ನನಗೆ ಇದು ಪ್ರಕಾಶ್ ಸರ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನನ್ನ ಡೆಬ್ಯೂ ಫಿಲ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಮೈ ಡೆಬ್ಯೂ ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ ವಾಸ್ ಡನ್, ವಿ ವರ್ ಪ್ಲಾನಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಅ ಫಿಲ್ಮ್. ಸೊ ಈ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ 18 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ. ಸೊ ಫೈನಲಿ ಐ ಗಾಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ. ಸೊ ಐ ಸೆಡ್ ಸರ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಇರಲಿ, ಐ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡೂ ದಿಸ್ ರೋಲ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಗುಡ್ ರೋಲ್, ನಂಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯಿತು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಐ ವಾಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್, ತುಂಬ it was a short role. Adu kuda I was like, my costumes have to look good because I'm very particular about it. But they so Tasmini ma'am said, you try. I'm also a costume designer. You see if you like it. Illa tandre you can choose your own anta. But she's so phenomenal. Andre the designing, the styling agirli. So not just as a producer, as it is as a producer, tumbane I think this is one of the most professional sets nan illi vargu nan kelsa ಮಾಡಿರೋದು. Because there was not even one place in the film that okay ಇದು ಒಂದು they were never running short of everything. Production design ಆಗಿರಲಿ, ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ಇರಲಿ, ಅಥವಾ there was the costume design ಆಗಿರಲಿ. I think production values ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು ಈ ಸಿನಿಮಾದಲ್ಲಿ. So really hats off to both of them. It's a lovely team ಇಬ್ರು. So I was really happy working with them. All the best to Rachna. ಇದು ಮೊದಲನೇ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ನಿಂದು, so long journey ahead for you. Of course, Achyut sir jate idu nan moorne cinema. I enjoyed myself working with you. And of course, Darshan nan eradne cinema idu 18 varsha aadmele again I am working with him. Of course, Navagraha was the first film. Our jate kelsa ಮಾಡಿ it was like as if 18 varsha adu it wasn't even past, it just went like this. And nange avar mele tumba gaurava ide, and it was really a wonderful experience working with him. So all the best to the team Devil. Thank you.
18 ವರ್ಷ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ಹಾಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ. that's the best part. Thank you Sharma.
Now I get all the questions in Kantirage.
Thank you ma'am. Shobhraj sir.